I'm lost in the so-called great life. I'm not gonna be my dad when I'm a father. I'm gonna teach my kids the difference between good and bad. My father isn't great, hell, he ain't even decent. He wasn't even there for me, and I'm seeking for the reason. I have fucked up, but that's cause I didn't have a father. Was growing by my mother and my older brother. Where was my dad? At the bar, mugging guys and stealing cars. Now I'm looking at 10,000 bars. I'm 13, drinking whiskey out the jar. My first album's coming out soon, and maybe it'll impress my dad. He thinks he's big and bad when really he's just a boy. He treated my mother like a toy, cheated on her and abusive. Now he's acting like it never happened and he's clueless. I love my stepdad more than him and he whooped my ass, but he treated my mom like a lady. Helped me in football and called me Tom Brady. Named my brother the Little Slim Shady. Always putting confidence in us while my dad was drinking and stealing. Now I'm on the streets selling drugs, oxys and dimes and dubs. But I ain't gonna end up in the slammer. I'd rather get beat with a hammer. Hope I don't end up like my dad when I'm older. He came back into my house and my heart got colder. I'm small but I'm a Tice. I'll beat your ass left and right. But the difference is I don't like hurting people. I just think it's wrong. But when I'm sad I feel like what is right is a bottle and bomb. All I do is listen to beats and write rap songs. But I've been getting in shit lately, and I wouldn't be surprised I'm dead in not too long. I need to start learning what's right and wrong. Just got caught with weed in school. How could I be such a fool? But yet that's what my dad thought. I thought the difference is I won't get caught. I'm not gonna follow in his footsteps. Now I'm going to court and I got a bad rep. I don't want to be labeled as a troublemaker, cause I'm not bad or a heartbreaker. I'm not raw like The Undertaker, but I'm not smooth like the Lakers. I'm gonna change, I just gotta get in the range. I'm really a loving and great kid. I just fuck up and do stupid shit. I gotta open my eyes and start to realize that what I'm doing is wrong. Sneaking out and doing drugs. I gotta start having faith in my life and be full of love. But it's just so fucking tough. My life's always been rough. Most of it's been bad. All I am is depressed and sad. I've been feeling really down lately. My life's starting to fade away. I was about to end it all in early May, but something told me you're gonna change this world. Maybe it was my boy Kyle that killed himself. He told me I'm gonna be happy and have all the wealth, but I just don't see it. I just need some hope, just a little bit. I'm living a hopeless life that's full of shit. Shit's hard, but you gotta get back up. That's what I'ma do. I'ma get back on my feet. Maybe I'll grow up and play ball for the Miami Heat. But I wanna do something bigger than that. I wanna change the world. I wanna make a difference in the ghetto, cause I know how it feels to be broke. But all I do is to fix it is take another toke. But it doesn't help. My heart just starts to melt. There's broken pieces where my heart should be. There's a lock on life and I can't seem to find the key. Damn, I need to fucking wise up. I'm leaving this song to go do something with my life, and I'm not picking up that knife.